So in degrees and radians. So if we say it's 360 degrees around a circle, right? That means, you know, I can say if the initial and terminal side are on the positive x-axis, then either the angle is 0 because it's the same place, or the angle is 360 degrees. It went all the way around to the same place. So you could call that angle 0 or 360 in degrees. Now, what's halfway around the circle? If I go only halfway, then it's 180, right? And if I go halfway between 0 and 180, that would be here, that would be 90, right? And then that would make halfway between 180 and 360 is the 270. Now, what if I named them with negative angles? Right? What would I call this angle if I went around in a negative direction? What is this? It's negative 90. Right? If I'm going around in this way, that would make this negative 360. This is negative 180. This is negative 90. Right? And what would this one be? Negative 270. Right? If I did it in terms of radians, again, if it's 2 pi, if we say the circumference of a circle, radius 1 is 2 pi, then this could be labeled as either 0 radians or 2 pi radians. If I went halfway around the circle, that's only pi. It's half of 2 pi. If I only went halfway between 0 and pi, it's pi over 2. Right? And halfway between pi and 2 pi is 3 pi over 2. Again, if I did them as negative angles, then what would this one be here? Negative pi over 2, right? If that's positive pi over 2, that's negative pi over 2. And this one would be negative pi. And this one is, yeah, go all the way around, negative 3 pi over 2. Now, next class, we'll do unit circle, which if you didn't get a little bit of that at the end of Algebra 2, then it'll be we'll use all this stuff to come up with a unit circle. Yeah.